All right, it's all done. This is the part 3 video of the Tonka truck Solidworks model 3D print at the 1.5 scale. So if you haven't seen the other two videos, go check them out. I am like 100% happy with how this turned out. It's good stuff. I think now for a while I'm gonna concentrate on my Bossa Nova project. Oh, I'll put these here because I do all of these just by using calipers and measuring things. I don't scan, like 3D scan any parts, because that's cheating. And it's fine, for parts that need to be duplicated, but I enjoy this process. So I'm gonna focus on getting my Bossa Nova Solidworks parts done for all the suspension and the 1-inch or one-piece front end that I'm doing on that. But I think in the meantime, I'm gonna probably do a video on the big wheel that I modeled and printed. So if you're a Gen Xer or otherwise think big wheels are groovy, keep an eye out for that one.